Kia ora, my name is Shane McConnell. I'm Deputy Principal at Middleton Grange High School, Christchurch, and I'm in charge of years 11 to 13. Over the last wee while, we've seen a real increase in the number of decisions that we have that are being questioned in terms of the results, but also the processes that we're using in order to be able to get to those results. What I'm really interested in is making sure that our students are safe, making sure that our staff are safe, and that our parents are safe too. And so really interested around this idea of conducting interviews and investigations that are ethical and that actually the processes are right. And so Tim's PD, to be frank, met every need that we had. His ability to come in and give us tips and guidance on how to conduct investigations that are fair, but also that are actually designed for us to be able to find out the right information, and not just the information that we want, but the information that's true and accurate, was just unparalleled. It was a superb 2 days. I can't recommend highly enough. Finding professional development opportunities that meet your needs and can be taken away and used directly are quite rare. Tim's ability to come in and give my staff exactly what they needed was just superb. The fact that at the end of the sessions, every time I was having staff come in to me saying how impressed they were, I think is a reflection of how good the PD has been.